Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. May peace and blessing be upon us all. Distinguished friends, Country Manager of Alibaba Cloud Indonesia, Mr. Leon Chen, Head of Connectivity and Access Policy, Facebook Asia Pacific, Tom C. Verghese, the Chief Technology and Product Officer, LinkNet, Mr. Edward Sanusi, the Chief Technology Officer, Smartfren Telecom, Mr. Suresh Subramaniam, distinguished speakers, participants, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Digital technology such as Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, big data, virtual reality, and others have been leveraged widely by stakeholders from both the public and the private sectors in Indonesia. World Economic Forum survey in 2020 has shown that 95% of national industry players have adopted IoT and cloud computing technologies, showing a high interest of the benefits that this digital technology can bring, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. As the backbone of digital technologies, the telecommunication industry continues to evolve as we embrace the arrival of 5G that offers a faster and more reliable internet access. 5G service has many advantages over the 4G, including internet speed that is faster than 4G, sub-6 GHz and millimeter wave, lower delay time, low latency, and more efficient in energy consumption. Due to these advantages, growth of 5G adoptions have been and will continue to accelerate as 4G approaches its peak. As of March 2021, 157 mobile operators have launched commercial operation of 5G services in 62 countries, where 10 of these countries are in the Asia-Pacific region. In ASEAN, several countries have entered 5G commercialization, including Singapore, Thailand, and the Philippines, with 5G connectivity level ranging from 0.07 to 2.28% of total connection. Through a collaborative effort with mobile network operators, 5G service has been operating commercially in numerous regions in Indonesia since May 2021, this year. At this beginning phase, 5G service is available in 9 regions in Indonesia, which are Jabodetabek, Solo, Medan, Balikpapan, Surabaya, Makassar, Bandung, Batam, and Denpasar. Moving forward, 5G area coverage will continue to be expanded in Indonesia. I especially, will do our best to farm and refarm frequency spectrum to support 5G. And of course, in so doing, I do hope that MNOs, mobile network operators, also have to demonstrate their commitment to allocate more capital expenditure spending on 5G infrastructure. More investment on 5G ICT infrastructure is required. According to research conducted by ITB, Institute Teknologi Bandung, The aggressive development of 5G network in Indonesia has the potential to contribute more than 2,800 trillion rupiah, or equivalent to 9.5% of Indonesia's total GDP in 2030. This value continues to grow to potentially reach a cumulative figure of more than 3,500 trillion rupiah, or equivalent to 9.8% of Indonesia's total GDP in 2035. Aggressive 5G deployment also provides potential benefits to the increase of business investment in Indonesia, with an additional investment of 591 trillion rupiah and 719 trillion rupiah in 2030 and 2035. This aggressive 5G deployment presents potential of productivity per capita increase of 9.7 million rupiah in 2030 and 11.6 million rupiah in 2035, with an estimated additional 5G related employment of 4.6 million jobs opportunities in 2030 and 5.1 million job opportunities in 2035. In addition to being beneficial for Indonesian macroeconomy, the deployment of 5G in Indonesia also has the potential to help develop the downstream economy, including for the micro, small, and medium enterprises. Excellent network quality that is accessible for all micro, small, medium enterprises players allows transactions to be carried out more effectively and seamlessly by utilizing digital platforms, which enables the economy to thrive more inclusive and equally across Indonesia. There are 5 policy aspects that must be managed comprehensively to support the deployment of high-quality 5G connection, such as regulations, radio frequency spectrum, business models, infrastructure, and device ecosystem and digital talent. These 5 aspects are vital to development of 5G ecosystem, so that it will generate maximum values and benefits for the society and for the economy sector. To fully maximize the benefits of 5G in Indonesia, there are 3 areas, among others. Need further synergies between cross-sectoral partners. 1. First, domestic component level. It is imperative to ensure 5G devices produced in Indonesia with a minimum of 30% of TKDN, or domestic component level. App development. Local app developers need to be nurtured through the availability of community-based app development ecosystem that ensure competitiveness with global apps, knowing that the 4G era has produced numerous unicorn apps in Indonesia. And third, digital talents. The 5G era requires more advanced skills, and therefore 5G related courses on Open RAN, system integrator, advanced computing, networking, and others. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the future of 5G, global connectivity, cloud computing, and IoT is beaming with opportunities that are ready to be seized. Growth of 5G network as a game changer with far-reaching impacts to connectivity will continue to accelerate, bringing many economic benefits to Indonesia and the region. Through a comprehensive governance and synergy on 5G technologies across the public and private sectors, together we can bring Indonesia closer towards a more connected, more digital, and more prosperous future. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Minister of Communication and Informatics of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Joni G. Plate. A very insightful and comprehensive keynote speech. Indonesia is ready to embrace the 5G technology and also Internet of Things and digital technology. Thank you very much for your precious time. And you also have
Thank you, Alan. But I'm so sorry I cannot continue. I have to leave since I have to join another Zoom meeting.
Yes, thank you very much for making it today.
And to all speakers, my distinguished friends, bye-bye now.
See you, Pak.
Untuk informasi lebih lengkap dan berita terkait, jangan lupa klik link di deskripsi. Install juga aplikasi CNBC Indonesia di App Store maupun di Play Store. Dan please subscribe ya guys.